Hello friends, welcome to our channel BONG Food PREYOSHI. Today we are going to prepare super tasty snacks recipe and believe me friends, it tastes really delicious. Here I have taken 100 grams of sabudana, 1 medium size boiled potato, chopped coriander leaves, 2 teaspoon chopped onion, 2 teaspoon red chili flakes and 2 boiled eggs. Now grate the potato and eggs. Salt according to your taste. Add chopped onion. Coriander leaves. Red chili flakes. Now mix all things together properly. Four teaspoon corn flour, make a dough out of it. Add some refined oil in your hand. Now it's ready for next step. Now friends, crush 100 grams sabudana. Add 2 teaspoon corn flour, four teaspoon water, add pinch of salt. Before start making pakora, apply some oil on your hand. Let me tell you friends, here you have to use your both hands. Just follow our steps. Just like this, you have to properly cover the pakora with crushed sabudana. Fry with refined oil in medium to low flame. Friends, now it's ready to serve. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.